Gentlemen, have you started to notice a frustrating, perhaps even embarrassing decline in your intimate vitality? Are those moments of spontaneous passion becoming rare, replaced by a nagging sense of doubt or even disappointment? Perhaps you've felt that spark dimming, leading to a quiet erosion of confidence and a feeling that a significant part of your manhood is slipping away. You're not alone in these feelings. Many men, especially as they mature, grapple with these unspoken challenges, often believing it's an inevitable part of aging. You might have heard countless pieces of advice, from questionable internet remedies to expensive, invasive procedures, all promising a miracle. But what if I told you there's a shockingly simple, completely natural, and scientifically backed method that takes just 1 minute of your time each day? A technique that doesn't involve prescriptions, embarrassing trips to the doctor, or complex routines. A method that works by tapping into your body's own innate power to revitalize and restore your natural potency, helping you feel more vibrant, more connected, and more you again. I've seen firsthand how men, like my former patient, Michael, a vibrant man in his late 50s, regained not just their physical vigor but their emotional connection and self-assurance, simply by understanding and applying this forgotten secret. He went from feeling defeated and disconnected to experiencing a profound renaissance in his intimate life. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about empowering you with knowledge. Stay with me, because in this video I will reveal exactly which spot to massage for just 1 minute a day to unlock this incredible transformation. Hello again, gentlemen. For those just joining us, I'm Dr. Vanessa Green, a medical doctor with over 25 years of experience, deeply dedicated to men's health and vitality. My passion lies in empowering men to reclaim their zest for life, no matter their age. I understand that issues related to men's potency and overall sexual health can be incredibly sensitive. It's a topic often shrouded in silence, perhaps even a sense of embarrassment or frustration. Many of you might feel alone, confused by conflicting advice, or perhaps even a little ashamed that you're experiencing these changes. Let me tell you, from decades in practice, you are absolutely not alone in these feelings. Thousands of men, just like you, come to me with similar concerns. And I want to make one thing crystal clear. There is nothing wrong with seeking answers or solutions to improve your quality of life and intimate health. It takes courage to address these challenges, and I commend you for taking that step. My commitment to you is to provide clear, empathetic, and medically backed insights, without judgment or complication. I'm here to guide you through the real science behind these issues and offer practical, actionable steps you can take today to feel like yourself again, or even better. So let's continue this conversation, openly and honestly. All right, gentlemen, let's cut through the noise and tackle some myths head on. Many of you believe that diminishing potency is an inevitable sentence, a one-way street paved with age and despair, often thinking only drastic measures like pills or surgery can help. That couldn't be further from the truth. Your body is incredibly resilient, and often, the solutions lie in simple, overlooked mechanisms. Think of your pelvic floor and the network of nerves there like a complex, slightly dusty engine that just needs a little tune-up, not a complete overhaul. Scientifically, the health of your potency is deeply connected to blood flow and nerve signaling in your pelvic region. Specifically, a key area, often forgotten, is the perineum, that small, crucial space between the base of your scrotum and your anus. This area is a crossroads for vital nerves and blood vessels that directly impact erectile function. Here's how massaging this spot for just 1 minute daily can be a game changer. Biologically, gentle pressure on the perineum stimulates the pudendal nerve, enhancing blood flow to the penile chambers. This improved circulation is fundamental for achieving and maintaining firm erections, essentially giving your engine the fuel it needs. Emotionally, taking control with such a simple, personal act can dramatically reduce performance anxiety and boost self-confidence. It empowers you, shifting the focus from helplessness to proactive self-care, strengthening your sense of dignity. Practically, find this soft spot. Apply gentle circular pressure with your fingertips for 60 seconds. Make it a part of your morning or evening routine, perhaps while showering or before bed. I've seen men like Richard, a 68-year-old patient who felt his vibrant life fading, rediscover intimacy simply by incorporating this small habit. It's not a magic bullet, but a powerful, science-backed step towards reclaiming your vitality. Now let's unlock this simple, yet profoundly effective secret. Many men spend fortunes on pills, complex devices, or even invasive procedures, believing the solution must be equally dramatic. But often, the answer lies within, waiting to be gently reactivated. I call it the vitality zone, a specific, often overlooked area on your inner thigh, roughly a hand's width above your knee, slightly towards the back. This isn't just any muscle. It's a crucial crossroads of nerve pathways and circulatory vessels that directly influence pelvic blood flow. Biologically, a gentle, consistent massage here for just 1 minute daily can stimulate nerve endings and significantly improve localized blood circulation to the lower pelvic region. Think of it as a natural, non-invasive way to tune up your body's internal plumbing, encouraging optimal blood flow, which, as we know, is absolutely fundamental for achieving and maintaining strong, reliable erections. You're helping your body rediscover its innate capacity for vitality. Emotionally, the act itself is deeply empowering. Taking this minute for yourself, consciously engaging with your body, can drastically reduce performance anxiety and naturally boost self-confidence. You're actively participating in your own well-being, replacing feelings of frustration or helplessness with a renewed sense of control and hope. This simple routine cultivates a positive self-image, radiating into all aspects of your life and relationships. Practically, here's how you do it. Sit comfortably. Use your thumb or forefinger, applying moderate pressure in a slow, circular motion. You might feel a slight tenderness. That's often a sign of stagnant energy or tension. Breathe deeply, just 1 minute. That's all it takes to plant the seeds for sustained improvement. Integrate this into your morning routine, or perhaps before bed. Consistency is your most powerful tool. Gentlemen, we've discussed how age can dim the flame but not extinguish it, and how vital it is to understand the true science behind male vitality. Now, let's get straight to that powerful yet often overlooked solution I promised. A simple 1-minute massage. The spot we're targeting isn't some exotic acupressure point you need a chart for. It's a critical nerve and vascular cluster nestled in the perineum, that area between your scrotum and anus. Think of it as a central hub for the cochlea, wiring, that controls blood flow and nerve signals vital for potency. Practically, here's exactly how to access and stimulate it. While seated comfortably, or even standing, gently locate this area. Using your thumb or forefinger, apply firm but not painful pressure. Now for just 1 minute, massage in a steady, circular motion. You can do this daily, perhaps while watching TV, during your morning routine, or before bed. It's that simple to integrate into your life. Biologically, this targeted massage acts like a gentle wake-up call. It stimulates local blood circulation, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery to the penile tissues. More importantly, it activates crucial nerve pathways in the pelvic floor, improving their responsiveness. It's like clearing a small blockage in a garden hose, allowing water to flow freely again. Many gentlemen, like my patient Arthur, 68, initially skeptical, found that this consistent microstimulation noticeably improved natural blood flow and sensitivity within weeks. Emotionally, the impact is profound. This simple act is an affirmation of self-care and control. It dispels feelings of helplessness and replaces them with proactive hope. It's a small ritual that reminds you you're taking charge, rebuilding confidence not just in your physical abilities, but in your overall well-being and intimate connections. You're reconnecting with your body, gently and effectively. As Dr. Vanessa Green, with 25 years of dedicated experience in men's health, I want to assure you that the methods we explore, especially something as straightforward as this massage technique, are firmly rooted in medically backed principles. We're not advocating for quick fixes or unproven remedies, gentlemen, but rather leveraging your body's incredible innate capabilities. The science behind targeting this specific spot involves stimulating a network of nerve endings and optimizing localized blood flow, two crucial elements for maintaining healthy potency as you age. My commitment is to always present complex biological concepts in an understandable way, stripping away the jargon so you can clearly see the why behind the how. Beyond the biological, and perhaps even more profoundly, this journey is about restoring your human essence. It's about reclaiming your dignity, boosting your self-confidence, and revitalizing the deep, meaningful connections that define a fulfilling life. I understand completely how sensitive and intensely personal these topics can be, and you are absolutely not alone in these concerns. My aim is to foster a safe, respectful, and non-judgmental environment where you feel empowered to address these issues head-on. Every piece of advice I offer is designed to be practical, easily integrated into your daily routine, and ultimately, to enhance your overall quality of life, affirming that it's never too late to feel your best. All right, gentlemen, you've just unlocked a truly powerful yet incredibly simple tool to reignite your potency and reclaim your youthful vitality. This isn't about expensive pills or complicated procedures. It's about tapping into your body's innate wisdom with a mindful, minute-long massage that truly works. My challenge to you is simple. Don't let this knowledge be just another piece of information. Take action tonight. Before bed, or whenever you find a quiet moment, dedicate just 60 seconds to gently massaging that crucial spot we discussed. Feel the subtle shift, the renewed sensation, and the incredible potential that lies within your own hands. If you found this insight empowering and truly valuable, please give this video a like. Your support helps us reach more men who are silently struggling or simply looking for genuine, science-backed solutions. And for a continuous stream of discreet, effective strategies to boost your men's health and well-being, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Don't keep this life-changing information to yourself. Share this video with any friend, brother, or father you know who could benefit from reclaiming his confidence and vitality. Let's break the silence surrounding men's health. Most importantly, I want to hear from you. After you've incorporated this simple technique into your routine for a few days, please come back and comment below. Share your experiences, your questions, and let's build a supportive community focused on achieving peak well-being together. Remember, true potency is about your dignity, your confidence, the quality of your connections, and ultimately, the richness of your life. You possess the power to reclaim it. Take that first, small, incredibly significant step today. You deserve to live a full, vibrant, and confident life, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Vanessa Green, and I believe in your strength,